Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Aruj Heather and welcome back to Paint Heaven by AHS. So in today's video we are moving into the final part of our peacock painting. That's flower. So before we start, here is a quick few seconds glimpse of detailed peacock work to the feather to the beautiful tail. Every part come together step by step. And now we are at the final stage where everything will come alive with floral details. So now I am starting with the flowers. I begin with a dark pink shade as the base. So I am adding every petals and birds one by one. I am painting. I am gently placing the first layer of the petals, keeping the strokes soft and controlled. This base layer helps define the shape and structure of each flower. Let me finish the first layer of the flowers, then I am coming back. So let's complete the first layer of the flower together. Now I am adding white paint to separate the petal one by one. This creates clear definition and makes each petal stands out. You just need to carefully using the white highlights to bring the light into the flowers, giving them a soft glowing effect. As you can see, I am switching between the white and a darker pink shade just to give them a refining shape. By using this shading technique, some petals are going slightly backwards and some are coming forwards. This creates depth and dimension in the flowers. You can see other flowers same shading technique in my other videos. As you can see, I keep adjusting the tones so the flower don't look flat. Now I am working on the center of each flower. I am adding a slight darker tone in the middle to create a natural 3D effect. This makes the flower feel more realistic and full of life. So with the second flower, I am doing the same. I'm just taking a dark pink shade at one side and white paint at the other side. White paint will go down and I'm just mixing the both colors because you can notice, you can see that we have a white fabric. If we choose white for the outline, so it will mix with the fabric, then your petal will not come out or stand out properly. So I'm just mixing both colors together just to hide the other layers. You can see again I'm adding a pink where I need to give the depth, or this petal will go backwards. So I added a dark pink shade. Now this will come up, so this will become full white, like I added only white paint inside the petal. So I softly blend everything so that it transitions between light and dark feel smooth. हर रंग अपनी जगह पर और हर petal अपनी कहानी के साथ. So step by step, the flowers are now becoming more vibrant, detailed and complete. I will again add the center part just to split that petal and give them a 3D effect. I'm just taking again darker pink shade, and then I will just stroke upwards from the center. Now I will try to blend this color with white at one side and darker at light side. You have to be very careful about here about, you can see the 3D shape now. Just to add white and mix at the half petal, and you can get a 3D effect. So for this flower, I am again doing that same technique. I'm just adding white and I'm blending at one side of the petal. Now you can properly see the 3D effect in the flowers. I will do all these steps in the third flower, and now you can see I don't need to explain here. I already explained in 2 flowers, so you can see, you can sit back and see properly what I'm doing here. And just like that, the final part of this painting is coming together beautifully. The flower have brought everything together so beautifully. The colors, the balance, the softness all complete the peacock art. From the first sketch to the final petal, every step added life to this painting. Now it feels full, complete and truly alive. एक रंग से शुरू हुई कहानी आज एक खूबसूरत तस्वीर बन गई. I hope you enjoyed this full journey of creating the peacock painting with me. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Paint Heaven by AHS for more detailed and relaxing art tutorial. Thank you for watching. Stay inspired and happy painting.